What's up everyone? This video features a step-by-step guide of how to assemble the bird tail pattern that is available on my Etsy store. Start by printing the pattern and taping the individual pieces together to create one giant pattern, made up of multiple components. Then, cut the components out. Trace the smaller feathers, 11 through 15, onto 5mm EVA foam and cut them out. Using 5mm EVA foam again, trace the larger feathers, 1 through 6, and cut them out. Now, trace all of the feathers again, including 11 through 15 and 1 through 6 onto 1/2" upholstery foam and cut them out. I forgot to mention, but make sure you are flipping the patterns as indicated. Glue the corresponding upholstery foam and EVA foam pieces together. After doing this step, you should have a total of 20 feathers. Lightly trim the upholstery foam side of each feather to create a rounder shape. Also, now is the time to cover each feather in fabric before you glue them to the base. Trace and cut the base onto 10mm EVA foam, flipping the pattern on the dotted line. The large feathers, 1 through 6, will be glued to the underside of the base. Place each feather where you want it to sit on the base and trace where it needs to be glued. The smaller feathers, 11 through 15, will be glued on the top of the base. Trace the base onto 1/2" upholstery foam, this time making it slightly larger than the pattern. Draw and cut a more round line on the bottom edge where the base meets the smaller feathers. And trim the inside edges of the base and glue the base to the top of the tail. Lightly stuff the base with polyfill before gluing the top edge. And that's a wrap. Please reach out to me on Etsy Messenger if you have any questions. Bye!